Welcome back to another exciting tutorial on our channel. Today I am going to show you something really special for you. We are going to deep dive into the world of object detection using YOLO and demonstrate how to run inference on our pistol detection model. The best part is I'll be using my very own trained YOLO model which ran 250 epochs which containing 3000 images in our dataset, and the dataset link is given in the description. And we will be doing this in Visual Studio Code. Let's see the inference of the model. Basically detects the pistol which is in hand. uh, Here the video is more clear so that the pistol could detect more easily. Okay, if you are ready, let's get started. The first thing you will want to ensure that you have the code and necessary tools ready. Here this is my repo. I have attached the repo link in the description. I will be using my personal repository where I have stored my YOLO model and all the required files. You should fork this repository, and now it will be added to your repository so that you can pull from your own repository. Let's go ahead and fire up Visual Studio Code. If you haven't installed it already, make sure that you install and open your project folder. In the VS Code, open your project folder and clone your forked repository using git clone link. We could see that. Okay, git clone your repository link and enter. Now you can see that the repository have been for cloned to our local. We could see that it is added in our VS Code workspace. Uh, I will briefly explain the structure of my repository, which includes the model, weights, configuration files, and sample images for testing. Uh, this data contains the sample video of without deduction. This results contains the model weight. This is a pistol.pt is the best accuracy model. Last.pt is something which was trained if it is for 250 epochs. The before iteration the weight is stored in last.pt. Uh, this is a YAML file which contains all the arguments which I passed while training the model, and these are other confusion matrix are the which represents accuracy of the model. All are given in this results folder. After that, runs is something which I ran before for ran the inference and tested it. It's very important, which runs the inference of the model. Here you can see that I have imported Ultralytics library, import YOLO. I have imported the model also here, and given the inference video, and stream is equal to true is something when we need to inference a video or live streaming, you should give this argument. Show is equal to true shows us the result of the inference output live, and save is equal to true saves the inference output. This confidence shows us the object be above 50 percentage confidence only should be detected. This for loop is helpful in displaying the bounding boxes in our image. This make file is used to set up our projects very easily. Here we just install one library and one environment, but when it comes to huge projects, this make file is more helpful for us. This pistol.pt is the exact model what we are going to use in our main.py file. This is a basic project structure. Open readme.md file. Here the three important commands are there. Make.provision is the command which creates the environment, Python environment for with required Python version. We could see that it is getting created. Hmm. On the next part, we need to activate that environment which is being created now. So we could see that the environment got activated here. Uh, After that, make.build installs the required library in the created environment. Pip install Alternative is getting installed. You can see that makefile contains these three commands already. Provision file creates the pistol-deduction environment with the Python 3.10, and build installs all the required libraries here. Here we need only a Alternative library, so we have given only one, and this make.run runs the important file, the main.py file, so that we could get the inference of the video. Here the model is already loaded here. The video alone we need to give just data pistol video, copy that path and paste it over here, so that yes, now if we run make run it, as you can see, Python main.py is called here, and the file started running. It started running, and here the inference have successfully got completed and stored in run detect predict 8. Here is predict 8, and there you have it, folks. We have successfully demonstrated how to run the inference on pistol detection model using YOLO, and within VS Code itself. The possibilities of YOLO are vast, from security application to object tracking, and I hope this tutorial have given you a good starting point, folks. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting tech tutorials. If you have any suggestions or questions for further videos, feel free to leave a comment in the below section. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.